Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to allow Facebook Web to access your camera on your PC using the new update. If your camera hasn't been working during video calls or while recording on Facebook, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll have it fixed and running smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Facebook website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the page is fully loaded, take a look at the top of your screen right next to the web address bar. You'll see a small icon that looks like a lock or 3 dots depending on your browser. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says View Site Information. This will open a detailed list of settings related to the website you're currently on. From here, click on Settings to open a new panel with all of Facebook's permission controls. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Permissions. Under this, select More Settings Permissions to expand all the available options. This is where you can manage how websites interact with your computer's features, such as your camera and microphone. Next, find the Camera section. You'll see a drop-down menu or toggle button beside it. Click that menu and choose Allow. By selecting this option, you're giving Facebook clear permission to use your camera whenever you need it for calls or recording features. Once you've made the change, simply close the tab or refresh Facebook. The next time you start a video chat or go live, your camera should work instantly without any extra setup. And that's it. You've successfully enabled camera access for Facebook Web on your PC with the latest update. If this tutorial helped you, consider sharing it with someone who might be struggling with the same issue. Thanks for watching.